Hi, this is John from All Touch Tablet, and today I'm going to show you how you can stream videos to your iPad. Why would you want to do that? Because I bet a lot of you guys already have a huge collection of movies and stuff you want to see on your iPad, on your big screen TV, but you don't want to necessarily use iTunes, or you don't have a lot of iTunes content purchased. Um, Actually, there are a lot of apps for streaming video in your wireless network in the App Store, but most of them require installing a specialized streaming server on your PC that only works with that software. But today I'm going to show you how you can do that with the yxplayer2 Lite. This is the version that's ad supported, but you can purchase the normal one for around $3. The yxplayer2 is compatible with Windows Media Player servers. That's default included in Windows 7, with Mac computers via Samba servers, and you can also play back some of the files found locally on your iPad, which you've transferred previously via iTunes. So I've configured already my my laptop. It's running the Windows Media Player server and also the PS3 Media Player. It's a specialized server for your PlayStation 3, but it also works with the yxplayer2 without any problem. So we launch yxplayer. There aren't too many settings in the settings page. You can choose TV out if you have the TV out accessory for the iPad. You can choose to play from beginning each file. It's an option to play MP3 files and also to show subtitles, but they have to be encoded in UTF-8 before you start. So we go to Files, select Video Source. We're looking for UPnP servers. They are actually DLNA servers. You can see the one set up on my laptop. I will be choosing the Media Player server, PS3 server. Trailers folders, and take a look how it playbacks different kind of videos. Not everything plays back smoothly, probably because I don't think it's the problem with my laptop, but because the Core i5 CPU, it's pretty fast. But I suppose there's a limit on the encoding of the file. For example, I found that Alice in Wonderland, it's a 1080p AV trailer, plays back not that great. There are a lot of skipped frames. As you can see, playback is not smoothly. Sound is okay, that's good, but it's not in sync with the video. Yeah, at some point it starts to play back better, but it's still not what you would call full HD playback, especially when there are fast-paced scenes like this one. But once you go back to the 720p AVI file, the Fast 5 trailer right now, you see that this one plays really rather nice. As you can see in the yxplayer2 version, ads are displayed on the bottom, but because it's a 4:3 ratio screen on the iPad and the iPad 2, actually the ads display on the black side of the trailer, so there's really not a problem if you don't want to pay for the normal version of yxplayer2. As I'll show you, there are some problems with scrolling. Not in this case. If the file plays nice, you could be able to scroll around it without any problems, but if you switch to let's say Hitman MKV 720 by 360, not 720p, it doesn't play back that well either. Probably there's a problem with the container, the MKV and Matroshka, and also there's a problem with scrolling. Not that big as you might expect, but it's not perfect. Now let's go to see how it playbacks most files, which should be supported by default because the iPad is the owner. Apple is the owner of QuickTime, the encoder, the software that is used to encode and decode the MOV files. Let's start with 720p. It's a trailer of the X-Men, the one that's going to come this summer, and it loads a little bit slower, and playback it's very choppy, as you see. Audio is also out of sync. Nah, you start to see the problems right now. And when you try to scroll, it doesn't really work. So I guess there's still a problem with the software. And once we switch back to the switch up to the 1080p MOV file, we encounter even worse playback. Yeah, it's even slower. It requires more processing power, which you ain't got right now. Also, when you try to scroll, it starts from the beginning. As you can see, there's probably something wrong with detecting the length of the movie. It started at 10 minutes and ended at 0, so it's plus this one, it's a 2.5 minutes video, so there's really something wrong with detecting this kind of files. The conclusion is pretty easy. If you want to stream videos to the iPad, the yxplayer2 it's really okay, but only if you choose correctly the files you want to play. I recommend you go for the AVI files, because they're really playing nice up to 720p with no skipped frames. You can also play back lower resolution videos, or maybe if you try lower bit rates, the results would be better. If you want to find out more about the other alternatives of streaming videos to the iPad, I'm going to write a comprehensive review on all touch tablets, so please check back the link below the video. Thank you.